Today I wanted to share my top 2 reasons why I have chosen the Kaito Voyager 500 to be my emergency radio. You just got to get prepared. When it comes to emergency radios, there are a lot of options out there, and they are claiming all sorts of things from really large batteries to having Bluetooth or having a way to record things, to be able to have different flashlights and sirens, and I don't know, the list goes on, which is a little bit more complicated than I want my radio to be. I'm after one basic thing. I want my radio to be a radio. I want to be able to hear the information that I need to be able to make the best decisions that I can for the situation that I'm in. And so that's what I'm going to share with you today, is how I feel that this radio is going to help me accomplish that. The first thing that I like about the Kaito Voyager is the simplicity. It's kind of an old school radio. It's got knobs and dials and a tuner band there to be able to roll your dial around on to be able to tune into the station. I've had other radios that are a little bit more high-tech or a little more modern. And what I found is that for me, I need the owner's manual. I need to be able to find the book to know which button to push to be able to turn on. But with the Kaito, I found that by just clicking a few different knobs or adjusting the dial, that I can figure it out on my own and be able to make it work. The second thing that I really like about the Kaito is the battery options. Yes, it has the hand crank to be able to charge the onboard battery. It's got a solar panel to be able to charge from the sun, and it does have a built-in battery that's part of it. But what if that battery goes bad? Then what? I find a lot of radios out there, they have this internal battery, and sometimes they're really big, and you think, wow, I could charge a lot of things with that, or it would last a really long time. But if that battery goes bad and you don't have another option, what are you supposed to do? And so what I've really liked about this particular one, and I know there's other radios that have this, but I liked it on this one, is that there are the ability to put 3 AA batteries into the radio to be able to keep it working. So if you keep batteries, whether they're disposable or rechargeable, you'd be able to have an option to put your own batteries into this radio and be able to make it work if the onboard battery goes bad. I hope that I'm not downplaying the simplicity of this radio. The simplicity is what I love about the radio. Yes, it's got the flashlights, and like I mentioned, it's got the hand crank and the solar, and it's got AM, FM, shortwave 1, shortwave 2, and it's got the weather band. It's got all the things that I want, but really, like I said at the beginning, I just need to make sure, I just want to know that it's going to work when I need it to work. If you are in the market for an emergency radio, I'll leave a link down below for you to be able to check this one out and read more reviews. But I just wanted you to know, as I've had a chance to research and explore different emergency radios, I've been very impressed with this one from Kaito, the Voyager KA500. It's been a pretty cool radio, and I'm happy to be able to have it as part of my emergency preps. Hey, once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.